What's good, BF fam? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do a creamy Cajun pasta Alfredo. I can't even explain how good this Alfredo sauce is. It's so good it'll make you slap your mama, your grandmama, and turn around and slap your own damn self. But hey guys, if you just sit back, relax, enjoy the video. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, let's get started with some creamy Cajun pasta Alfredo. Alright, so the supporting cast, pretty simple. Let me go through your proteins here. I got one chicken breast cut up here into cubes. I got some andouille sausage. You're talking about Cajun, you gotta have andouille sausage. I got some onion cut up here, some red bell pepper, and then Philadelphia cream cheese, no other. You can't use that other off-brand Philadelphia cream cheese. Some Slap Your Mama seasoning. If you don't know about it, you need to know. You can get this, I think you can even get this at Walmart now. But got some minced garlic, heavy whipping cream, some penne pasta. You can use whatever pasta you want. This is my choice. Some chicken stock, salt and pepper and butter. And then I got a mixture of mozzarella and provolone cheese here. I'm going to stir in there, thicken it up a little bit. But that's really all the ingredients. Let's get started putting this together. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my chicken. I'm going to sear this off a little bit. I got a little bit of oil in the pan here, just regular old vegetable oil. We're going to sear this chicken off. Right off the bat, I'm going to come and season it with some salt and pepper right away. And I'm going to put some Slap Your Mama on this, but I'm going to wait till it gets a little bit closer to being cooked through. Alright, and over here you can't see it, but I got a pot on waiting for my pasta. But we're going to brown this off, sear this up, get it cooked through, and we'll season this up, like I said, with some Slap Your Mama here in just a second. Alright, chicken's been cooking for a little bit, almost cooked through. Got a little couple pieces in there, it's not quite done, but we're going to season it with some Slap Your Mama. Tad bit more. Alright, we're going to let that cook a little bit longer. I got my pasta in. So it's cooking away over here. The most important part about the pasta is that you don't want to overcook it, because it's going to go in the pot with the sauce and everything. It's going to cook a little bit more there. So you don't want to overcook this. So constantly watch your pasta. If anything, you want it a little underdone. Well, we're going to let this cook for a second. I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to start my andouille sauce. We're going to add our andouille sauces right to the same pan that we had our chicken in. And we're going to brown this up a little bit. No need to add seasoning to the andouille sausage. If you've never had andouille, it is a very spicy Cajun sausage. So there's no real need to add seasoning to it. You're going to get enough seasoning through all the other components of the dish. So you just need to brown your sausage off, and that's it. So the andouille's been cooking, browning off nicely. Doesn't take long. But I'm going to take this out of the pan as well. Forgive me guys, 1 second. Let me check my pasta over here. Pasta's almost there. Alright, in the same pan that we cooked our andouille sauces in, gonna put a little bit of butter in there. Melt that down. We're gonna throw in our onion.
1 cup of onion.
Guarantee. If you guys don't know where that comes from, look it up. Look up Justin Wilson. I know I'm dating myself, but If you don't know Cajun cooking, you got to know Justin Wilson. All right, and we're going to put in our red bell pepper as well. We're going to stir those up a little bit. And then here in a second, we're going to put in our garlic. Pasta's right. We'll let this, let these onions and bell pepper get softened up a little bit. The onions and the bell pepper are cooking down nicely. So now I'm going to add a nice heaping teaspoon of minced garlic. Just right there. It's only going to take a minute or two. I don't want it to burn. That's why I put it in last. Alright, we're going to let that cook for about another 30 seconds or a minute. And we're going to start adding some liquid. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Alright, now we're going to do what these Food Network cooks and these famous chefs call deglazing. What? We're going to deglaze the can with some chicken, or the pan with some chicken stock. About a cup. There we go. We're going to bring that up to a simmer again, and then we're going to start adding some of our cream elements. Oh, one thing I forgot. I'm going to add back in the rest of the butter here as well. I'm going to end up using a whole stick of butter. No one said it was going to be healthy, but that butter is a key ingredient to making this sauce taste right. So I added my cream in. I'm whisking it up here. As you see, the cream and everything is melted nicely. I added a little bit of Cajun seasoning, about 1.5 teaspoons of Slap Your Mama. So we're going to let this cook and bring it up to a little bit of a simmer. And we'll start adding our cheeses to the mixture. Boy, if you can smell this. Alright, so I see it coming to a little bit of a bubble. I'm going to start adding my cheese here. We're going to stir this up, get it melted and thickened up a little bit. As soon as this melts, though, I'm going to give it a little taste because I don't need to add a lot of salt. That Cajun seasoning's got salt in it. The cheese has salt in it, and you know I put salt and pepper on the other elements as well. So we're going to let this thicken up a little bit. Keep moving it. And I'm going to give it a little taste. See where my salt content's at. Now, cheese is melted up nicely. Let me give it a little taste. Ah, yeah. No more salt. I don't need any more salt. No more cheese. We're going to add our proteins back to the dish. Our andouille sausage with all that nice juice from it. And our chicken. And we're going to add our pasta back in. We're going to mix this up in here. Get everything incorporated. Let me wash my spoon off. I'm going to give this sauce another taste. Give it another little taste. Ah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. So from now, we are just going to let this cook. I am going to cover it. And we're going to let this come to a nice simmer for about 5, maybe 7 minutes. Then I'm going to plate it up for you. Alright, here we go. Look at the creaminess of this. Oh my Lord. That andouille sausage and the chicken. Ooh, let me plate this up. And you guys know what I'm waiting for. There you go. Creamy Cajun pasta Alfredo. Made right in your own kitchen, guys. You can do this yourself. Don't say you can't. It's very simple. You guys saw the video. Hey guys, I'm done talking. You know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Here you go. Homemade creamy Cajun pasta Alfredo. You know where every ingredient came from. Oh my God, it smells wonderful. Let me get a bite of this. Let me get some pasta. Little bite of andouille sausage. Oh man. That cream sauce is incredible. Once the spice of that andouille hits you, bam! It's right there, guys. Hey, do me a favor, this is free. All you have to do, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.